Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Mel, your Manager Property Investment from SMDC. And this is a quick tour lamang po dito sa showroom located sa SM South Mall, Las Piñas. So meron po tayo ditong unit deliverable sa Twin Residences and South 2 Residences. Ito po yung ating unit deliverables sa Twin Residences and also South 2 Residences. This is a 1-bedroom with balcony. Kasama na po yung mga sink and bowl. Also the soap holder. Mga refrigerator, microwave, and then pwede natin lagyan ng washing machine dito. So meron na din siyang kasamang overhead cabinet. So this one is the partition. Ang kagandahan kasi light yung ginamit na laminate sa kanya. And this is the bedroom. So kasya dito yung queen size bed. And this is the balcony. So imagine guys, if ever na ang view nyo is amenity view. Meron po tayong mga discount, which is kay South 2, meron tayong 15% discount, and then kay Twin Residences naman is meron tayong 200k TLP discount. And this is the combined units. So, upgraded na po ito. Pwede natin gayahin yung designs. So, ito po ay dalawang 1-bedroom na sinumbine. So, very cozy. Yan, yung countertop, pinalitan na. Naglagay na din ng electric stove and also the range hood. So ayun guys, kung gusto nyong malaman yung details about this project, wag nyo pong kalimutan mag-message sa ilalagay kong contact details here. Pwede nyo po ako message sa WhatsApp, Viber, SMS, or even sa aking Facebook po. Yan, ilalagay ko po dyan. At guys, meron tayong 15% discount for the South 2 Residences. And meron naman tayo mga non-battable units dito kay South Residences that is ready for occupancy na po. So, pwede na po siyang lipatan. Pwede na natin siya gawing rental business, Airbnb, long-term, yan po. So, next video naman, abangan nyo po yun. I-discuss ko naman sa inyo kung ano yung pinagkaiba ni pre-selling at me ready for occupancy. So yun lang guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bells for more updates and more promos of SMBC. Bye guys!